Okay, so one simple reason why the boiler may not be circulating hot water to the radiators properly is simply because the thermostat got unplugged. And so I'm going to show you here real quick. If we come over to the left side of this hallway and look down at this outlet here, you can see that white power adapter. That provides power to the thermostat. If it gets unplugged, then the thermostat will appear blank at the faceplate and will not properly call for heat from the boiler. So all we got to do is just make sure that this thing's plugged in. Okay, sometimes it can get accidentally kicked out. And that'll fix your issue if it's at the thermostat.